Good quality. Made from black nylon, more durable that would not break or crack easily. Small things but great use, satisfy your demands. High precision. Can hold your parts very tightly, won't be loose as the time passing by, also can be easily removed without causing damage. Reasonable design. With compact size and lightweight, it is very convenient for carrying. You can have them whenever you need them. Universal plastic clips. Be widely used for door trim, radiator shield yoke, fender, bumper, grille and splash shield retainer replacement. Package include 40 pieces nylon fastener rivet clips. Specification. Universal plastic clip material. Black nylon head diameter, 20 mm 0.78 inches stem length, 23.5 mm 0.92 inches fits hole size, 8 mm 0.31 inches application. Commonly used for fitting side skirt, bumper, car fender, door trim panel, interior trim panel and various trim panels. They can be used on cars, truck, motorcycles, buses, trains, planes, caravans, etc. Top reviews from the United States. If you work on vehicles, you need to keep an assortment of these. Use these to replace OEM clips that fall apart after years of use. Maybe they can be removed one day without falling apart, but if they do, I have more to replace those with.